Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a WhatsApp link easily in 2025. If using WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business. Go to the browser and search Create WhatsApp Link. Open the first link. Click Create a free WA.link. Now select your country and type your WhatsApp number. Type here your custom message. I type my text. Now click Generate my WA.link. Copy link. Now, paste the link in a new tab. See link create successfully and if it's working well. If using WhatsApp Business. Open WhatsApp Business. Go to the three-dot option. Then click Business Tool. Again, click the three options. Now click Short Link. See here showing the link. You can also add a custom message. Type your custom message. I type my text. Then click Share Link. See link created and working well. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.